Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So gold market now is more interesting compared to euro currency, but to see these interesting moments you need to use the futures chart, because on the retail broker chart you do not see this stuff. In particular speaking, take a look that now is the time to roll the contract from the April to July on the gold market, and we have grabbers that stand side by side here, and today we also could get another one. So this is some kind of the acceleration to the upside. It seems that well, at least based on these patterns, suggest taking out at least of these stops, maybe this one as well. And this in general agrees with the idea of the butterfly that we discussed on the 4-hour time frame chart. Yes, currently the activity of the gold market is not very strong. Here you do not see really big upper direction or something of that sort. But market stands stubborn near the inside of the triangle. Here we do not see any significant sell-off, so fast breakout or something of that sort. I would say even more that take a look at recent upper direction where we initially have taken the long position. It mostly holds the whole following the action right there. So this is type of the very choppy and looks like the retracement. Well, of course everything could happen, but at least theoretically and from the technical point of view, this pattern is still valid, because to erase it, market has to take it out of these lows. If market will show breakout out of the triangle, taking out of these A point lows around 1930, it's preferable if it will also break the confluence that stands right here. In this case we could say yes, it's probably upper direction is done, and currently we need to consider some further downward continuation, some more extended downside targets. But meantime, at this point, with the potential grabbers on the daily chart, I wouldn't hurry up with this solution, with this conclusion. Besides, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, take a look what we have. Yes, market is a bit stagnating in the current levels, but taking into consideration of the shape of the recent action, you could see that it is mostly kind of the retracement type. It's because take a look, we have the first upper direction here, we take in first position. Yesterday we said keep an eye on this level. It's 1960 is the next second attempt to go long. This market has completed, and what is more interesting is that this downside action takes the shape of the ABCD pattern, which is typically a retracement type of the performance, and together with it we have got, take a look at least to buy pattern in place. So, upper direction, ABCD retracement. So this you can see more or less thrust action, so not really very fast, but still something. From that standpoint, taking it all together, we're not considering currently any short position, and think that well, we will see what will happen with the grabbers, but in a nearest term we could suggest at least reaching of the nearest ending target. So this is XOP 1981 with this initial ABCD pattern, and maybe somewhere to 1986 completion of this big ABCD OP. So 1981, 1986 levels that market could try to reach, and then we will see what will happen next.